Good morning, students. This is Saima Khan. Today I am going to explain one of the topic from the digital system, that is combinational circuit, and this digital system subjects belongs to computer science engineering student of code 304. Combinational circuit, also called as a combinational logic circuit, and is a digital electronic circuit whose output is determined by present inputs only. The output of a combinational logic circuit does not depend on the history of the circuit operation. In other words, we can say that a combinational circuit is a digital logic circuit whose output depends only on the present input values and does not depend on any feedback or previous input or output values. In this slide, we are block diagram of combinational circuit is available. We have seen that combinational circuit contains number of input lines and number of output lines. Basically, a combinational circuit uses input lines, output lines, and processing unit. There are only three key elements in the circuit diagram of a combinational circuit. They are input lines. The input lines are used to enter the input values into the diagram, into the combinational circuit, whereas the output lines are used to take results generated by the circuit. The very important element or third important element of the combinational circuit is a processing unit. It is the main element that processes the input values depending on the type of the circuit. For example, a full adder circuit add 3 bits binary bits. In place of full adder, if we are using a subtractor as a combinational circuit, then it subtract the binary bits. The main characteristics of the combinational circuits are: the output of a combinational circuit at any instant of time depends only on the present input values at that instant of time. Combinational circuits do not use any kind of memory elements in their circuits. Thus, the previous state of input and output values do not have any effect on the present operation of the circuit. The output of a combinational circuit can be entirely predicted using its logical operation and input values. The fourth characteristic of combinational circuit is that it produces an instantaneous output in response to any change in its input values. There are different types of combinational circuits. In digital electronics, the combinational circuits are important component of the digital systems. Depending on the functions performed, there are various types of the combinational circuits. They are binary adders, binary subtractors, multiplexer or mux, demultiplexer or demux, encoders, decoders, and comparators. Combinational circuits have wide application in digital devices. Also, it covers wide area in microprocessor and microcontrollers, digital computers, calculators, digital communication system, keyboards, smartphones, and digital watches. At the end, if I conclude combinational circuit, then a combinational logic circuit is a key component in various digital devices and systems. It can be defined as an interconnected system of digital components whose output depends only on the present state of input, and it does not depend on any past input and output values. Thank you. This is all for this presentation.
स्टॉप करें मैडम? हाँ